Jared, can we go yet?
I'm always the one that takes forever.
And I would forget everything if it wouldn't be for Jared, and I would just leave. But it's time to go. Do you have my beach towel?
I got our beach towels.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
It's a perfect day. Just a little bit of information. So I do have my mask on right now because we have to wear our mask when we are indoors down in Perfect Day. Now, granted, there's not a lot of places that you're going to be that are indoors, but we need to bring our mask in case we need them because we don't want to miss a single part of Perfect Day. Oh, where's Jared? This is our lives. This is a look into our lives. It's me always going and it's me always telling Jared to hurry up.
Pro tip, always shut your blinds. Otherwise you'll come back and it'll be so hot, it'll be miserable. That's what I went back and did.
That was a good pro tip.
Now, I will say this, our stateroom attendant probably would have done that for us, but who knows how long it would have taken, and it could have gotten hot before then. So,
true.
It was worth it.
These elevators are taking forever. Can you tell I have a problem with patience? I'm not the most patient person in the world. Oh. Going down.
Sunday.
It's Sunday.
Oh, look at this view. I love these elevators.
Where are we going?
One, I think. It's either one or two. I think it's one. If not, we can always go up to two.
Get a nice view of the promenade. We love this art here. If you haven't yet, go check out our tour at Adventure of the Seas. Should be posted. Okay. Down, down. Oh, where did the view go? Ooh.
Yeah, this is.
Oh, that's cool.
Alright, I'm gonna get my mask on just in case we need it. We have it this whole time though.
Alright, we just got off the ship and check out who's here! Haley with the flare!
It was fake.
Haley with the flare. I also call her
fake.
I'm also Haley, and this is also Haley with the cute top.
Oh, thank you.
Love it. I love it.
I bring private transportation for us.
Oh my gosh, Haley, thank you. This is great. Thank you for taking us over there. Wow, this is nice.
I wore sneakers because I thought I was walking.
I know. I was like, oh, my legs are gonna be on fire.
Alright.
I literally thought that because flip flops can do work on your calves. Oh, and upper thighs.
Alright, we're gonna go. So they took us on a shuttle to Perfect Day, and then we got on another shuttle because we are going to the Coco Beach Club.
Beach Club at Coco Cay.
We're gonna go have lobster for lunch.
Oh my gosh,
Yum.
now there is rain around us, but
there's not rain on us yet.
Not yet.
Okay, it's pouring down rain. We're with our new friend Francesca.
We'll be under here for a little bit.
Yeah.
Because we don't want to get our camera ruined.
But Coco Beach Club is right behind us. There's the sign and there's the entrance. It looks lush here.
Yes.
We are very excited to go in. We're just gonna wait like a couple minutes, let the rain pass.
Someone was just talking about the smell. It just smells amazing in here.
It does smell amazing.
I know you can't get smell-o-vision, but if you could,
it smells amazing. It does. It just smells fresh. You know, tropical paradise.
Yes, tropical paradise. It's like that candle you always have in your bathroom.
Yeah, that is what it smells like.
Love it.
I love it. We're a little wet, but we made it. All right.
Do you need from a C-Pass card? Or?
Do you have a...
Oh, this looks nice.
Just like full day pass.
This is the restaurant. This is cool.
Oh yeah, everyone is in here just...
It is pretty busy in here because it is raining out there. There's the bar. Oh my goodness, you can get a little... You have the infinity pool over there.
Very nice.
That looks gorgeous. Okay, so I think we are gonna try to get some food.
Well, we have to wait because it's covered right now. That's what she was saying.
Oh, okay.
But it looks like you have to get a reservation.
Yeah.
So we'll do that as soon as we can. I think it's covered because of the rain, but then once sound covers, we're going to be first in line.
Yes. The sun is coming out. Oh my gosh, this infinity pool is amazing. Hey everyone, the sun finally came out!
Oh, it's beautiful. It is finally a perfect day.
It is. So we just did the walking tour of the island. If that's already posted, go check it out. We'll drop the link. But we're gonna go make reservations because we found out that you do have to have reservations for the restaurant.
Yes.
And I want lobster for lunch.
Oh my gosh, Lobster. I heard that the burger is amazing as well. And Matt is a huge fan from Royal Caribbean blog of the chicken sandwich. So we might try all three.
We might try everything. So we're gonna go make reservations. We're gonna see how soon we can get in, and then we're gonna hop in the pool, and we might take you along.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Very good.
So how does the reservation process work?
You open for, you work until 3 o'clock. So how many of you?
There's 2 of us.
2? Let me check for you.
And if 3 is the only time, 3 is the only time. That's when we're eating.
I have right now, and then I have around 12:45, 2 o'clock, 2:15 or later.
Let's do 12:45.
Sure, 12:45.
That's good, yeah.
Hey, we have made it to the Coco Beach Club restaurant. Are we excited?
So excited. I'm hungry for lobster, so they better not have run out.
Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry too. If they run out of lobster, I quit. Let's take a look at this menu.
Gorgeous here though.
It
Look at our
is.
view. Our view is incredible. Like, I feel like I have spent $1 million for this. Now, if I lived here, I would.
Yes, you would. Oh my goodness. All right, let's look at the menu here.
This menu.
So, what do we
So
have
it's all
here?
included. Oh my goodness, Coco lobster sandwich. Yum.
This looks amazing. Feel free to pause if you need to read. And then of course we do have a cocktail menu here as well. So take a look at the cocktails. It looks like the prices are about $13.
Yes, those are not included unless you have the drink package.
Yep.
Anything 13 and under, of course.
Looks like
Or
all
premium.
beers are $7.49, and then they have wine of course as well. So you're getting lobster.
I am definitely gonna get.
I'm getting lobster.
but I don't know if I'm gonna get the lobster sandwich since it's in green because it's in color.
We've had a lot of things recommended to us, so just looking at the menu here.
Cabana burger.
The Cabana
also
burger was recommended. Matt from Royal Caribbean blog loves the chicken sandwich.
Which I feel like the chicken sandwich is at the other shack, so we'll get that tomorrow. And I think it's on a not even on the menu. I think you just asked for it.
Ooh, okay. And I think I'm gonna get
For a
lobster.
starter. There's so many good options.
All right, well we're gonna decide,
Yes.
and then we'll let you know what we get. The food is here.
Food is here. Oh.
This is like all of the appetizers, right?
Yes, all the appetizers.
Ooh,
and I have one
yum.
more box here for you.
Oh my
with the
goodness.
Shrimp and ceviche.
Oh, thank you so much.
Just need to put this on the size.
Thank
Get
you.
that. That's gorgeous. Okay, can you go through them all with us real quick?
Yes, we have a hummus, chickpeas, baba ganoush, eggplant, grilled, a little bit of smoky flavor, tzatziki, cucumber and Greek yogurt, pita bread, sea bass ceviche, and the shrimp cocktail with the cocktail sauce on the side.
Amazing.
Some creditors.
Thank you
Thank you so much.
Oh my gosh, I cannot wait.
What are you gonna try first?
The funny thing is, when we were ordering this, we literally were like, oh my gosh, this all looks good. I want to order it all. And then they're like, you get it all.
Yeah.
We're like, oh my gosh, this is amazing.
So we didn't have to choose an appetizer. We got these 2 boxes that came with everything. What are you trying first, Jared?
Oh my gosh, I think I'm going to do a shrimp cocktail. I know you're not as into shrimp, but
Nope.
I love a good
You're
shrimp
gonna do
cocktail.
the seafood. Good shrimp?
That's so good. I had it last night as well, somewhere on the ship, and this is probably 2 times better. than that
Ooh,
one.
2 times better.
2
Okay.
times. I almost said 3, but I was like, I'll take it back.
Okay.
Because last night was good too.
Ooh, I love a. I don't know what this is. This is not a carrot.
Carrot, isn't it? No.
This is
Maybe
not.
it's.
All right, I'm
Oh my
gonna
gosh,
dip it
I
in
can't-
this.
Now I'm excited to see what it is.
Oh. I have no idea what this is. The hummus is so good.
Now I gotta try. That's good hummus.
Mmm. Yum. All right, bon appetit. So I got some of the tzatziki and hummus and tomato all on one of the pita. This looks so good. It literally looks so good. I'm about to give it a try. Oh my gosh.
So good.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. Oh my gosh, it's delicious. Okay, so I think we hated it.
I think, here's the thing. We both agreed the tzatziki is next level.
Do you see that? We like scraped that. It's amazing.
We ordered 2 more and more pita bread because this is so good, but everything was great. What was your favorite? What was the favorite, least favorite?
Okay, so I'm not a big seafood person, so you talk about the seafood.
I love the shrimp cocktail. The sea bass ceviche was very fresh. I wish there was a little bit more spice, flavor profile. I could tell the sea bass was delicious in the fact that it was fresh, but I just want a little more flavor to it. The shrimp cocktail though, great, fresh. You talk about the dips.
Okay. So for me, the tzatziki is on fire. It is amazing. It is so good. I also thought the hummus was delicious. Both of those tasted really fresh. The third dip is baba ganoush, and neither Jared and I are huge baba ganoush fans.
Eggplant is not our favorite.
It's not our favorite, but I did taste it, and it was good. I just am getting more tzatziki because it's the best I've ever had. I'm not lying, the best I've ever had. It was so good. We've got steak and lobster and burgers coming. So that is next. We ordered so much. They brought us so much more tzatziki. Yes. I'm not even kidding. It's so good.
I'm not gonna lie. I might order more.
The time has come. Our food is here. All right. First off, I said that someone ordered a burger. No one at this table ordered a burger. I thought Jared ordered a burger and he didn't.
I was going to, but then I saw there's 2 lobster dishes and I had to try them both.
All right. So first, lobster.
The Bahamian lobster. This one is a full lobster. It has fries. I think that is a butter sauce. I can't remember. We'll look back at the menu later. And ketchup for the fries. This is the lobster sandwich. I forget the exact name, but it looks like it's crunchy. If you see over here, oh my goodness, it's like got a coconut crust almost.
Yeah.
I think it's the Coco lobster roll. And then it looks like a slaw on the side with fries and ketchup.
And then I got the Bahamian lobster and the filet mignon. So I have a little bit of surf and turf here. Again, with the same sauces. This is a chimichurri sauce for the steak.
Oh my gosh, I love chimichurri.
I know, I'm so excited. So we're gonna feast like kings.
And we have more Diet Cokes coming because we got the soda package.
Classy people right here. Okay, I'm gonna try the sauce. I'm about to take my first bite of lobster. Here's the sauce. Let's see. Okay, this like looks like a buttery like. Oh my gosh. That's amazing.
Oh boy, I gotta get in here.
Taste it. Holy cow, the lobster.
Look at
It is
that.
so good.
I don't know if it'll focus in on it, but if not, it is so.
Wow.
Matt did say that this was a really good lunch from Royal Caribbean Vlog, and it is.
It is. The food here is very good. We're gonna keep eating. Okay, in terms of the steak is cooked perfectly. It is so good.
Can I take over this?
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, look at that.
I'm gonna, oh my goodness.
Medium rare. Perfect.
I'm gonna put it in this chimichurri here. So we can vlog and do this at the same time. Okay. All right, here we go.
Good. I can see it in your mouth movements. It went from taste to delectable.
It's so good.
Yes.
That was a little bit sloppy vlogging, I'm sorry. It's delicious, we love the food. Love the food.
Even the fries.
Yeah, how is that fry?
Crispy. I love a crispy fry. And this is crispy. I love it.
Yeah.
I just did the lobster. This is the lobster roll. I think it's coconut crusted. Look at this. It is thick. It is like a Popeye's chicken sandwich. Thick. You know how thick I'm talking about.
But it's lobster, not chicken. Look at all that lobster meat in there. Oh my gosh.
All right, the flavors. This slaw is so fresh. I don't even know what's in it. I think it's fresh fruit and some onions and some coleslaw. Perfect on top of what is an amazingly coconut encrusted lobster, fresh lobster.
Yum.
And then you got a little lettuce on the bottom. The bun is great. I would maybe like it just a little bit more grilled. It is grilled a little bit, but so good. I'm getting another bite. We have the Bahamian rum cake, and we are stoked. We are so full, but we had to try this.
Yeah, we had to. We're sharing a dessert because we're stuffed.
This isn't everywhere, so I'm gonna try it right now. I'm gonna get a little bit of that icing in there too, a little bit of that compote as well.
Ooh, yum.
Yeah,
How is it?
it's so good.
Yeah.
You have to try it. It's
Okay, I'm
so
trying.
good.
I'm trying it. I'm trying it.
It's moist, which I know is everyone's least favorite word, but it is okay when it's about cake. Isn't that delicious?
Yeah, it's really good. I had to let it set in.
I'm like here in anticipation.
It's good. It's good. It's not. You know, like those rum cakes you can buy all over the Caribbean. It's not as good as that.
Right.
Those are like the best rum cakes ever. This, good. Like, worth it? Yes, I think so. Would you
This
say?
is a good end of meal dessert.
Yes.
Not too heavy.
Yes,
Sometimes
exactly.
rum cakes can be really heavy, not too heavy.
All right, I'm ready to go jump back in the pool.
Yes, let's jump in.
All right, we have had the most perfect day
An incredible day at Coco Cay.
at the beach club. Wow.
This
We
place is
did
amazing.
a full walking tour, but I mean, as you can see behind us, the infinity pool. I think we both just said to each other a little bit ago, this is the best private island experience for any cruise ship we've ever done, period,
Oh,
right?
by far.
Yeah.
Yes, this is incredible. It is an extra cost, but like, here's the thing. We've had an amazing day, and we had an amazing lunch, and now we have to get on the ship before 5, and we are cutting it close, so we have
We're
to get
cutting it
going.
close, so we got to get going, but we're going to get on the ship, maybe hop in the pool there. We'll have to see where the rest of the day
We
takes
did go
us.
live as well, so if you wanted to hit up that live, that should be recorded somewhere in our channel as
Yes,
well.
yes, exactly.